Alright, so today we are putting on our paddles. Got these from Jogon, they're like $80. They're carbon fiber, OEM style replacements. These are the tools you're gonna need, plus a T20 ratchet, which I have in my pocket. And so now we're gonna go get started. First things first, turn the wheel. There's a little plastic piece around the back, this little piece. You're gonna take and use a pry tool, pop that loose. Okay, it pops upwards, and then you have two bolts. Somewhere in there, so I can feel them. Once that's loose, pull it back. Then you have to take this connector out with a screwdriver. You're pushing in the center. Just work your little way out, and then you can pull that connector out. And once that's loose, then we'll have to swap this over. Here you can see the size difference between the OEM and these ones that you order. Now we're gonna pop this cover off so we can take the lower electronics out. Pop these two little pieces, pull this cap off. Next step, there's a pin, large end. It's got the fat end. And then the small end, I've already pushed it through, but you're gonna take any sort of thing that's small, use the small little Phillips, and you're just gonna tap it like a punch, and you're just gonna pop the short end, the small end, pop it through and it gets loose. And then you can pull this side out and just keep it kind of laying on its back for now. And so then you'll take and pull this piece out, and I'll have to do that. Once you got that, then you're gonna pull your piece gently off. You're gonna wanna keep that main piece, that's the ground piece right here, so it needs to stay on there. So we're gonna swap that back over. Okay, and then basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna rotate and relock this onto this piece. Kind of similar as that one came off, this is gonna go on, and then it's gonna do the same kind of deal. Once you set it on there, then you're gonna just drive your rod back through the same place, and then pop your cover back on here. And then you'll be ready for reassembly. Test it, make sure you're getting good clicks. All right, now we're reinstalled. Bonus, 48 grams, 63, 64. And if you're like me, you like to do it with the paddles, this gives you more surface area to do so. You can change those colors to anything you want. Just have some vinyl stickers and you can make them yellow, blue, whatever you want to make them.
C8 paddle shifters be cheap. Corvette tax, baby. Upgrade your car easily. Country